Hi everyone, in this video we're going to evaluate this indefinite integral. We're going to do it using something called u substitution. So the idea is whenever you have an inside function, that's going to be your u. So in this case, this is our inside function, 6 plus 3x. So we start by letting u be equal to 6 plus 3x. And the idea is you have to think ahead. So when you pick your u, you want to start thinking about the derivative of u. And you look at the integrand, that's this piece here, and you ask yourself, does the derivative of this appear here? In fact, it does. If you compute du, you end up with the derivative of 6 is 0. Here the derivative of x is 1, so you just get 3 dx. So you see this problem is rigged. This is an easy example because your du appears right here. It's perfect. So now we can make the substitution very carefully. So we have this indefinite integral. This inside piece here becomes our u. And then what's left over, this piece here, this is our du. Now it doesn't always work out like this. It's just this example was rigged to work out nicely. Now we can use the power rule for integration. So we integrate, we drop the integral sign, we add 1, and then we divide by the result. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and then you divide by 5. Don't forget the plus c. And the very last thing to do is to go back to x. We started with u, so now we started with x, we go back to x. This will be parentheses 6 plus 3x to the 5th over 5, and then we have our constant of integration plus c. And that would be the final answer. So again, u is usually your inside function. Not always, but most of the time, it's like an inside function. So there's your u, and then your du is what's left over usually. Sometimes you have to make some adjustments to this. In this case here, everything worked out really, really nicely. I hope this video has been helpful. Take care.